So the last thing we're going to look at in chapter 3 is working with fractions and decimals. And first off, how to convert fractions in the decimals. Now, let's recall, fractions mean division. So this will mean the top number is first, the bottom number is second. So this means 3 divided by 5 or 3 divided by 5. And this can be seen with the symbol of division, where you have a fraction bar, a top dot, and a bottom dot, where you would usually have a top number and a bottom number. So these mean division. It's always top number goes first, bottom number goes second. So how do we do this? How do we make this conversion? Well, what we're going to do is use long division. Now, this brings in the second idea that we're going to use. We can tack on extra zeros to a decimal number. So 3 and 3.0 are the same thing. And if we wanted to, we could say 3, 3.0, 3.00 are all the same thing. So using these two facts, we can do this conversion. So writing this as long division, 5 divided into 3. And remember, the first number always goes on the inside. Doesn't matter if it's bigger or smaller. The second number is always on the outside. Now 5 won't go into 3. So what we can do is divide 5 into 3.0. Why 3.0? Well, if you recall from the last section, we can pretend this doesn't exist when we do our division. So we'll copy this up here, and that'll give us 5 and the 3.0, but we'll treat 3.0 as if it's 30. And we can do this because 3 and 3.0 is the same thing. We really aren't changing the problem, we're just changing what it looks like. So 5 won't go into 3, but 5 will go into 30. So we place that answer over the last digit of 30. Now 5 goes into 30 6 times. 6 times 5 is 30, subtract 0. So what this says is that 3/5, which is the same as 3 divided by 5, is equal to 0.6. And that's how we convert a fraction into a decimal. So any questions about that, let me know.